Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna finally be disassembling the 2.0T engine from the Elantra N. This is the one I bought used. Just to give you guys a heads up, I kind of struggled my first time putting the engine on the stand. Make sure you guys remove this piece and bolt it on to the engine first, and then you could just push the rod through here. I was trying to bolt on it being in here, and then I was like, that doesn't seem right. So yeah, make sure you get 4 bolts. I only have 3 on, which is not safe, but I already removed the tension and it's good. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing it. Make sure everything's good. I think it had valve lash on there, so we're gonna see what's going on with it. But yeah, I'm going to start it right now. Alrighty, let's get it going. Got the valve covers out. So you're supposed to remove these bolts down here for the oil pan. That's the reason why the timing cover is not coming off. Where'd you go, buddy? Damn. There you go. Unless it's just these. Okay. Yeah, I have to remove that. There you go. That's how you get it off. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Alrighty, that's what we're struggling. Get over here. No, it should come up easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, now we use, where are our special tools? There's still some oil down there. The oil pan. Here's a good old timing cover. Alright, put that one down over here. Alright, now the fun part. Getting all this out. This will probably be a project for, oh shit, this is full of oil. Bro, you never drained it out, bro? Really? Damn. No way this sucks full oil. No, this thing has oil. Full oil pan, no, bro. It hasn't been drained, Jesus. Okay, that's not good. We're gonna have to get something to throw that away. That means the oil filter still has oil too. So we're gonna go ahead and conclude this episode here. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We're gonna go ahead and continue the second half soon. We got all the major components off. Now we're gonna get this off, camshafts, and well, first we need to remove the timing, then we can remove the camshafts off. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure to turn on your notifications, comment, like, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. You guys have a good one. Peace.